Guys, I tell you about these babies always falling off. So that is why I pick them when they're turn. This one could wait on me. I saw it, but I saw this part. Look at here. I am getting more strawberries. So the first one right there coming out, looking lovely. And then I have these two coming up. Strawberries loading. Well, nothing from the others yet, but they have been pushing off runners. Well, these are pushing off runners as well. So everybody is doing their thing. I can cut off this one now. Let it focus on developing its fruits right here. So this one is well rooted now. So maybe soon I'll get from these as well. Alright, so these peanuts I had replanted about what? 3 to 4 days ago. They grow so quickly, guys. You can grow peanuts. They're so easy to grow. They need little care. About 3 to 4 days ago, and look at their progress. They're doing so well already. I said I'm going to put some horse manure inside here with the sawdust. Well, I may add some soil first. I may mold it up as well as I may not. I transplanted this eggplant. I hope it continues to thrive because I had to move it from where it was. It was up there with my mango tree. This eggplant right here, man, I felt like I was going to get an eggplant, I don't remember exactly what I was doing, and I break off this part that had on the blossoms. This section has blossom as well. Look at the stink bug. But this one had on most of them. Oh boy. But stuff like that happens in the garden. But I hate it when it happens. I mean, who wouldn't? It is so windy. It is so windy. Look at the plants. They're dancing. Look at my coins. Oh no. Someone asked me about my fig tree. My fig is doing well. Look at it. Thanks to Latoya and Soraya again. They sponsored me this fig tree. When they gave me, it was about this size. Right, ladies? This size that is branching off right here. And it grew. Well, it was small. It was smaller than this. Yes, man, it was smaller than this. And it grew and grew and grew and grew and grew. And this is how it's looking now. Yeah. Looking good, right, ladies? I know it's looking good. Look at my mulberry, guys. They're developing so well. I am so delighted to see them in their numbers. It's just so amazing. These grapefruit blooms are so pretty. Look at my gooseberry. It has almost ripened. I am so anticipating it. I really want to see what it tastes like. It takes long to ripen though. It has been there quite some time. The tomatoes, they are coming in slowly but surely. These babies are coming up so nicely. Guys, you remember when we planted this chote together? Or chote as we call it here. Look at it. It's going in with itself. Doing so well. Look at the pak choy that we harvested the other day. Remember we took all of the bigger leaves and leaves, small leaves like these. See them? Got big already. That is why I harvest them like that. I can always come back for more. So I have some seedlings right here that I'm going to plant out. I doubt I'm going to do it on camera because it's evening now. I need to move quickly. So yeah, these onions, you can see I gave them a haircut already, and I cut them because I want them to grow more healthier. I have a few cabbage inside here, some of them looking leggy and all, and I have some sweet pepper, bell peppers that I want to plant out, and pak choy, so you will see them around. And I have a few seeds right here I'm going to sow as well, directly, that is. Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. You can see it's a little windy. Yeah, very windy this evening. Of course, I continue to take on the challenge of creating a food forest in containers in a tiny space in the urban area. So the aim is to have food galore. What I say? Galore. Yes, the aim is to grow what I eat and eat what I grow. Because what? I want to continue to ditch the store-bought veggies or the market. I mean, why not? If I can. My Jamaican backyard garden, Portmore edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man. And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam. So the cabbages are in. No man, this one have leaf liner. I have to take off this one. I don't want it spread all over at all. Just give them a good little soak. Alright guys, so it's getting late. I really need to hurry up a bit because I want to finish before night comes down. Yes. Yes, I want to finish before it gets dark. Alright, so I leave you here for today. You will see them around. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good. My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.